Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to get Edge lighting effect while playing music in Android smartphones. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see I'm holding an Android smartphone. So firstly what you need to do is just open the Play Store, and in the Play Store just search for one application named as Always On Edge Music Lighting. Just search this application. As you can see on the first list, just tap on it and just tap on install to install this application. So wait for a few seconds until the complete installation is done. So once the installation is done, just tap on open. On opening, it will ask you some permissions, so you can see here below. Just tap on it. And here you can see your Movies Edge. Just enable this option and just move back. And now here you can see some options above here, right? So just enable all of them. Yes, you can see here, just enable it. Click on allow, just move back and do the same thing for other options. Just click on while using this app and just click on here. So our all settings is done. So you can see here samples. So you can see here by default the lighting effects, right? So you can change the lighting effects by selecting here. So you can see a tons of lighting effects. You can get all this for free just by watching our video ads. You can get all this lighting effects for free. So I'll just use this default lighting effects. So what you need to do, just minimize this application, and here I will just try to play one music, right? So let me try to play. So I've tried to play, right? So what I will do, I'll just unlock my Android smartphone screen, right? Wait for a few seconds. So you can see here, right, I'm playing a song, as you can see here. So you can see here lighting effects. So let me show you. You can see here the lighting effects, and as I post this music, so you can see here the edge lighting effects gets off. So if I try to play it again, so you can see here the lighting effects, right? So in my opinion, it's a very cool applications to get a edge lighting effect while playing music on any Android smartphones very easily. So if you never known about these cool applications, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.